In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make your Pinterest account private. And for this tutorial, we're going to be using the Pinterest app, but you can do the same on the mobile interface if you want to. Anyway, so go to Pinterest and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the settings page, go to Privacy and Data, tap on that. And then you should see the option for search privacy, hide your profile from search engines. Okay, so you can enable that, and that basically is going to hide your Pinterest profile from search engine. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is make your Pinterest boards private. So simply go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. On your profile page, go to every board you have. For instance, I have 1, 2, 3 boards. So I'll open that board, for instance, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit Board. On the Edit Board page, look for Keep this board a secret and enable that. And that basically means that board will be kept from other people on Pinterest. And then once you're done, tap on Done at the top there to save that setting. And then you can go ahead and do the same for all the boards you have in your Pinterest account. So just go through every board and do the same thing. And once you do that for every board that you have, that's as private as your Pinterest account can get. Now, it's a shame that Pinterest doesn't have a button just to make everything private, that you have to kind of hide boards. And sometimes even if you hide the specific board, the pin might be seen on other people's newsfeed and stuff like that. But as Pinterest is right now, that's the best way to make your Pinterest account private. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.